Hello everyone, class 8. My name is Rashid Khan and I am your science teacher. As you know, the chapter number 15 we have to study about. As you know that I am from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. And here we have to study about the chapter 15, that is the light. In this chapter light we will discuss about the light, sources of a light, properties, reflections and all these. So let's start about the light. Hello everyone, this is Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Here class will have to study about the chapter number 15, that is light. So in that chapter we will discuss about the light, sources, importance, reflections and its properties. So in this chapter we will start from the light. Light actually is the main source through which we can observe anything. Suppose if there is no light, we can't be able to think we can't be able to see anything. Why? Because due to the light, we can be able to observe. We can be eligible for seeing anything. We can see anything if there is a light are present. Light actually it is a form of energy which gives us heat, and heat is also a form of energy. What we can say, the light is a form of energy, that is a light energy which gives us energy and light as well, that can give light and heat as well. The heat is another form of energy, that is a heat energy. So what we can say, the light is the form of energy, this is the light energy which gives us the heat as well. So heat is another form of energy, that is a heat energy. So we can say in the both cases, like when we obtained light or heat, these are both in the form of energy. They are found in the both form of energy. So we can say we directly taken as a energy in the form of light. So light can give us not only the heat as well as it can transfer the light too. It is the sources by which we can observe anything. It is the medium or sources. It is medium or sources. It is the medium or sources by which we can obtain energy, or through which we can be able to see anything near to us or in our range. So this is the form by which we can either be eligible for eligible to see anything. It is the medium or source through which we can be eligible, we are eligible to see anything. Next is, it is a form of energy that give us light as well as light give us energy in the form of a light energy, and it can also give us a heat. Heat is another form of energy, that is a heat energy. So we can say that it is the light that which we can obtain energy as well as in the form of heat. It is heat another form of energy. Next we can say it is the way by which we can here to see anything. It is the sources by which we can be eligible to see. Next one is, we can say what is the reflection. So what is mean of a reflection? Reflection is what actually? The reflection it is what actually? Reflection is the process in which the light travels and strikes to any object and again come back to its origin. This one is said to be the reflection. Or we can say, if the light travels and it could not be propagated, but it can deviate from the surface into its origin, then it is said to be the reflection. Suppose if there is any object on which the light is falling and it could not be penetrated and it return from this place, it get return, it will get back into its original position, then it is said to be, what is the process going on? This process is called reflection. What it is called as? It is called reflection. If the light falls on any surfaces and get back to its source again, then it is said to be the reflection. The reflection might be caused in a two mode. Reflection is of two types. What are these? First one is regular reflection. Second one is irregular reflection. How this reflection be possible? For the possibility of the reflection, there must be reflecting surfaces occur. Suppose if it is what? It is a reflecting surfaces. We can say it is reflecting surfaces. It is a reflecting surfaces on which the light comes. When the light comes, that is, suppose it is A and it is O, and when it comes back to its position, then it is said to be B. So here is when the light comes from a source from AO, this one is called incident ray. From the B to O or O to B, this one is called reflected ray. So for any reflection there will be, for the reflection there will be source of light, there will be the reflecting surfaces, and there is a medium on which it has to be traveled. So when the light travel in air, here is nothing. If here is nothing, so what it is here? Here is air present only. So what will happen in that case? In that way, there is a reflection followed. The reflection get followed. How possible it is? When there is a light ray falls on a particular object, that is a reflecting surfaces. So it is impossible to penetrate or to pass out. If it is unable to pass out, so it will be get returned back. It return back again into its path. That is termed as reflection. then here is reflections type may be measured as reflection can be caused due to this, and here if the surface is plane regular, if the surface is regular, then these rays must be in a straight form, or this can have the criteria to be there at point O. So whenever these rays strike on this particular place, it will be returned back into its original form, and it will be the same, or it will be the same in which it can be false. This can be travel in some such a manner. What will then happen? If it is false like this, then we can say it is what actually? It is a reflection. And this reflection, why called so? Because this is the regular reflection. The regular image, or you can say the irregular images, are diffuse reflection. Irregular or diffused reflections. How these diffuse reflections is formed? The diffused reflection is formed due to the irregular surface, that is a reflecting surfaces. If the irregular reflecting surfaces, so here is the light falls on a plane, this will not move in the same direction. This will move into the other directions, might be to the different directions. So we can say it is what about when light rays falls on a plane, due to the curve or due to the irregular surfaces, the reflections may be followed as diffused or irregular. Why? Because if the plane is not in a surface, reflecting surfaces is not in a plane medium, so the reflecting surface in a irregular medium, so there is the reflections takes place, or reflection forms, that is called as a irregular reflections. Due to the light falls on the other object, this could have their irregular reflections. So due to the plane surface, or due to the irregular surface or the rough surfaces, there will be the rough reflections or irregular reflections or diffuse reflections happen. So we can say that in case of the reflection, there is a two type of a reflection. First one is a regular reflection and second one is irregular reflection. So in that sense we can say the regular reflection of about two types. Here we have to move on to the next topic, that is what we can say, the object which has been formed as in the resultant of the light rays striking on them, so they could have their impact, that is a regular and irregular. Next one is the image or the reflections takes place by the plane mirror. If here is the plane mirror and through which the light rays is striking, if the light rays strike on this way, so it will be come back again into its medium, and here is a perpendicular. Here is perpendicular, which is termed as normal, and this one is what? It is a plane. And we can say that here is the A, B, and this point is called as a O. This is what? This is the N. The rays which come from the sources, this one is AO or OA. It is a incident rays. And the rays which move from position O to the B, that is called as reflected rays. So it is the incident ray and reflected rays. And the angle formed in between, the incident ray and plane, it is called angle of incident, and the angle formed in between the reflected rays and between the plane, it is called angle of reflection. And it is a perpendicular into these two, that is called as normal. So you know very well, if it is this one is this angle, you can say the angle of incident and angle of reflected angle. These two angles are here. So we can say here is the plane mirror on which there are some certain image or the reflections takes place. Due to the formation of these images, there we will have the image formed, or there is a reflection. Due to the reflection, there is image of about the same kind, or you can say its side will be the same size, erect, and the virtual image formed. So we can say whenever plane mirror, we can say there is if there is an object placed in front of the plane mirror, the image formed, it is as actual as a object is. So in this concern, we can say there is an image formed through the plane mirror. It is of about the same kind, the erect, and they may be virtual. Why? Because it could not be formed on the screen. So in this concern, the image formed is of about the same kind, but here is some changes occur. Due to what? Due to only one reason. That is what? It is the lateral image. It shows the lateral image. How it can show the lateral image, we will discuss over it after into the next video. Thank you for watching.